What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, it's kind of a rush through video because I do have some errands that I have to run today, but I really wanted to film this video because I bought this palette specifically to do this look. Like, it's pretty sad, but at the same time, I absolutely love how the look came out. So this is a review on the Tati Beauty palette. So if you're interested, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so as you know by the title, this is a review on the new Tati palette. I'm so excited. The look I'm going to recreate today was actually a look that I seen by Juicy Jazz, and that is the whole sole reason that I wanted to get this palette. It has a huge mirror, of course. So this is what the palette looks like. Tell me it's not gorgeous. I love the layout and I love the complete idea of it, where you have like what the shade is, and then you have mattes, sequins, shimmers, and glitters. Like, I love this idea, so super excited to use this today. Like I said, I'm going to recreate the look that I saw Juicy Jazz do. After I do the eyeshadow, I'm going to speed through the rest of my makeup. I'm just gonna like hold up the product, show you what I'm using, and then when I get to my lower lash line, I'll slow down, we'll talk about it, speed through the rest of my makeup, show you guys the products I'm using, and then I'll talk about the palette at the end. So I'm gonna jump right into this really quick. I already did my eyebrows. I just wanted to get them done so I didn't have to do them on camera. And I already primed and set my lids. So like I said, I'm recreating a look Juicy Jazz did, so she gets all the recognition. Yeah, she gets all the recognition for it. But I'm gonna try my best to recreate it, and hopefully it turns out sort of like hers did, because hers was beautiful. The first shade I'm going to go into, which I did already, I set my lids with this shade right here, but I'm going to tap into this shade, which is called Soothe, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. And if you're wondering where I got this brush, because I use it in all my videos, it is an AOA Studio E127 brush. I got these for like $10 a pack of them on Shop Miss A, and they are phenomenal and I love them. I'm actually about to order another pack. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to take this Smashbox brush. It doesn't have a name on it. It's just a flat brush from Smashbox. And I'm going to dip into this Poet shade, the matte one. And I am going to focus this in my crease really deep. I want it to be super pigmented, but I want to go in easy because I'm a little scared. It looks like super pretty and pigmented, but I'm still kind of nervous. Okay, so she had to kind of like hold this right here to get it in her crease the way she wanted to. I'm going to blend this, I swear. Right now I'm just like placing the color. So this color, at least for me, is a little patchy. I don't know if it's like the way I'm applying it. So now I'm going to take, it's from Profusion, it came in like one of their palettes, and I'm just going to use this to soften up these edges. Let's try this e.l.f. blending brush and just see if we can get a little more blended. I think I used too much from the start. I would be a little more light-handed if I was you. Okay, now that I blended for 8 years of my life, I am going to go in with a glitter next, and now I'm like super scared because that was super pigmented, but now I just know to be more careful with it next time. This is my first time using this palette. Next, I'm actually gonna go in with this metallic right here. And it's actually kind of more like a navy blue-ish in person. It's not straight up black. And I'm going to put this all over my lid. And I'm going to use this little flat marble brush that I always use for shimmers, glitters, and I'm gonna spray it with some Fix Plus as well. Okay, so this is actually like such a pretty shade. It's a little dramatic, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye really quick, and then I'll jump back on here so that we can do the next color. Okay guys, so for me, I did get a little bit of fallout even though I sprayed my brush, but it doesn't bother me at all. As long as the shadows perform the way they're supposed to, then I'm not bothered. I'm actually going to jump into the shade Memory, which is the matte black in the palette, and I'm going to take it on this little Japanese 725 brush. It's a really, really tiny crease brush, and I'm going to put this in the outer V ever so slightly. Little is more with black, I promise. Especially with a palette you've never used before. I'm only tapping like once, and I'm just going to put it in the outer crease and then fluff it up a little bit, but not too much because I want to be sure that the pink is still in the crease, because it is like the main part of this look. So just using little bits at a time like I should have done with the pink. Pink is easier to blend out. Black you have to be really, really careful with, because once you add too much much black, it's game over. So I like how that looks, but I want to take that profusion brush that we used earlier with what's left with the pink and just kind of soften up the edge so that it's not too intense. Pretty much like that. So I'm gonna go do the same thing to the other eye really quick, and then I'll be back and we're gonna add some glitter. Okay guys, now that I blended for another 8 years, I don't know, I feel like I need more black, but I don't want to keep adding more black because black is just so hard to blend and it just takes so long. I'm gonna mess it up if I keep trying. So I'm just gonna take that same brush that I used with the metallic that I already have on, and I'm gonna use this glitter right here, and I'm pretty much just gonna go over top where I already put the glitter. Glitter makes so much difference. Like, oh my god. As soon as I seen her do this look, that's when I was like, I have to have that palette. Like, the look was just beautiful and I loved everything about it. I would suggest, because I do have a lot of glitter fallout right now, whenever you are putting this on, I suggest that you put it on in a packing motion versus a swiping. That will alleviate the most fallout it possibly can. Wow, these glitters are beautiful. My goodness. Tati killed it. Ooh, but the glitters do not want to come off your face. Just a fair warning. You know what? I'm not even going to wipe my face yet because I'm still actually going to add some glitter. So she did this, what Allie Glines calls scoopity boopity, and she used the Aura shade, but the glitter. But she did it just like in this inner rim in the crease to brighten it up. So I'm going to attempt to do that as well. Wow, you can so see it. Oh, this glitter is beautiful. And it just kind of looks like a little glitter cut crease. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh, I love it. Josh is gonna hate it. All the glitter, and I love it. Oh, did I mention this was gonna be like a super glam look? I seen it and it was just so beautiful. I could not pass it up. It looked so good on her. These glitters are seriously phenomenal. I've never had a pressed glitter in a palette like this look this freaking good. Oh my god. That was freaking beautiful. I am honestly so in love already. Like, I cannot wait to use this palette like every freaking time I do my makeup. I am going to go off camera really quick and do most of my base makeup. I will come back. We will finish the lower lash line. I'll probably already have falsies on too. These are the ones that I'm using today. Okay, so these are the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in the shade Instaglam. In the shade. In the style Instaglam. So this is what the packaging looks like, and these are what the lashes look like. So I'm going to be putting these on. I will show you guys what I'm doing during this. We will be back to do the lower lash line and finish the face. So just keep watching. Okay guys, my lashes are still drying, so I'm gonna finish my lower lash line before I pop them on. So I'm actually just going to take the black on a like flat definer brush, and then I'm going to blend it out with the pink. I'm gonna use this Beauty Accents Defining Eyeshadow Brush. It's like a little angled brush. And I'm gonna dip it into the pink ever so slightly to blend this. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this look. And then I'm also gonna take that black eyeliner I used to tight line. I'm gonna put it in my bottom waterline. But really quick, I'm going to take the Metallic Aura shade, so that is this one right here. And I'm going to use it as my inner corner and brow bone highlight. I have a special brush that I like to use for that. And it is this Ulta Beauty small eyeshadow brush. No real reason, I just like it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna attempt to pop on lashes on camera. Hopefully they don't look too crazy. I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself. I'm not even sure why. I thought I was getting better with that. I'm not the best with lashes, so it might not get put on camera. But I'm gonna pop on my lashes and then I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I am absolutely in love with it. I use most of the face products that I love and know because I wanted to make sure that it looked good because like I said, I do have errands to run. This is a very glam makeup look. It is not something that I would wear every day. I'll wear it to go to PetSmart. Like I don't care that much. I'm sorry it was rushed through. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I absolutely love the Tati palette. This palette is just beautiful. Its setup is phenomenal. The glitters, I've never seen pressed glitters like this whatsoever. They're just soft and buttery, and that's not something that you normally get with a pressed glitter. Like, I love ColourPop, but their pressed glitters are not the same as Tati's. I will say she absolutely nailed it with this palette. I'm really upset that I missed out on her sponge because now I'm like watching reviews on her sponge and everybody's like, oh, this thing is amazing. So I really wish I would have got it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more Tati palette videos, let me know because I would love to film more. Everything that I use will be listed down below because I don't think like I held up the lipstick that I used very well. I will have everything listed down below. Please subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, like this video if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!